Good evening aspirants, welcome to daily newspaper analysis brought to you by Shankar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss four important topics for prelims examination. The first topic is about woolly flying squirrel. The second topic, Hadean protocrust. The third topic, breakthrough prices of 2025. And the fourth topic about biomass satellite mission. So these are the four important topics we are going to discuss in this video. Now let us get into the discussion. Before getting into the discussion, this is an important announcement. All India mock test for UPSC prelims by Shankar IAS Academy is going to be conducted next month. The first mock test on 4th May, the second mock test on 11th May and third test on 18th May. Interested aspirants can enroll in it. Recently, the breakthrough prize winners of 2025 were announced. So let us discuss about the discoveries of breakthrough prize this year and about briefly about the breakthrough prize. So this breakthrough prize was established in 2013 by some billionaires, and this is also dubbed as the Oscars of science. It is basically given in three fields: life science, mathematics and fundamental physics. So let us discuss about this year's discoveries for which breakthrough prize is awarded. First, about the breakthrough prize in life sciences. Three important discoveries were recognized by breakthrough prize 2025. The first important discovery is weight loss drugs. Ozempic and Wegovy are weight loss drugs which are discovered by a scientist for whom the breakthrough prize 2025 is awarded. So we have to note these important terms. Ozempic and Wegovy are related to which? So they are related to the treatment of diabetes and obesity. The next important discovery is multiple sclerosis treatment. See, multiple sclerosis is a important autoimmune disease which affects the central nervous system. So for this disease, the scientists have created treatment, and the treatment is called B cell targeted therapy. They also found that this multiple sclerosis is linked to Epstein-Barr virus. So Epstein-Barr virus is one of the major cause of multiple sclerosis. So this is an important discovery. Please note this important terminologies and facts related to this discoveries because they may be asked in the prelims examination. The next important discovery is gene editing technologies. So previously the gene editing technologies have cut through the double helix structure of the gene in order to cut the gene. But now the new gene editing technologies like base editing and prime editing have been developed, through which we can cut through the DNA without cutting a double helix. So this gene editing technologies and treatment for multiple sclerosis and weight loss drugs, Ozempic and Wegovy. So for these three discoveries, the breakthrough prize for 2025 in life sciences were awarded. Breakthrough prize in mathematics, the discovery is not very much important and relevant for our examination. And breakthrough prize in fundamental physics was awarded to Large Hadron Collider scientist at CERN Institute. So this is all about the breakthrough prize 2025. Let us discuss an MCQ related to this. With reference to breakthrough prize 2025, consider the following statements. It is awarded only in the fields of life sciences and mathematics. This statement is obviously incorrect because it is awarded in the three fields, that is life sciences, fundamental physics and mathematics. So the first statement is incorrect. The prize is also known as Oscars of science. This is correct. One of the awardees in 2025 contributed to developing gene editing technologies like base editing and prime editing. This statement is also correct. So the correct answer is option B, 2 and 3 only. Recently, scientists have found about the Hadean protocrust, which was the first crust formed on the earth. So this has appeared in Hindu newspaper. Now let us discuss about this Hadean protocrust and the layers of the earth and also the eras, important eras of earth. See, Hadean protocrust is the first crust layer or the layer of the earth which is formed during the Hadean era. So Hadean eon is the first eon of earth which was over 4.5 billion years ago. So it is one of the initial era of earth or eon of earth, and the total age of the earth is divided into important eons, that is Hadean eon, Archean eon, Proterozoic eon, Phanerozoic eon. And in Phanerozoic eon only the present Cenozoic era is there. So we are living in the Cenozoic era, and this Cenozoic era belongs to the Phanerozoic era, which is fourth eon of earth. The first eon of the earth, that is over 4.5 billion years ago, is the Hadean eon, and the crust of earth which is formed during this Hadean eon is the Hadean protocrust. So these are the important eon and eras and period of earth, and this is this map shows the earth's layers, which is outermost layer, the crust, and below it is a mantle. Between Earth crust and mantle, there is an ionosphere layer. So this is why this Hadean protocrust is very important. So this led to the formation of continental plates and the whole plate tectonics. So this is what we have to know about this Hadean protocrust news. Now look at this MCQ. Recently seen in news, the term Hadean protocrust refers to. So this is how the prelims examination questions are framed. They will ask like recently seen in the news, the terminology is related to which thing. So this is how we have to learn this important terminologies. Now the answer for this question is earliest solid crust of Earth formed during its initial geologic eon. Recently, the researchers at Himachal Pradesh have photographed this woolly flying squirrel. This woolly flying squirrel species was thought to be extinct till 1970s, and later it was found at 1994 by a researcher in Western Himalayas. So this is a rarely found species, and recently it was photographed by researchers in Himachal Pradesh. So this is why this appeared in the news. Let us discuss briefly about woolly flying squirrel. It was found in Lahul and Spiti district in Himachal Pradesh, particularly in the Miar Valley. So this Miar Valley is found in the Lahul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. Look at the map here, you can see the Ladakh range. Parallelly to it lies the Zaskar range and then Pirpanjal range. So between Zaskar range and Pirpanjal range lies the Lahul Valley, and this place where the Miar Valley is present, and here only the woolly flying squirrel was spotted recently. So this is the geographical presence of this woolly flying squirrel, and these are the places in news we have to note for prelims examination. The conservation status of this woolly flying squirrel is IUCN Red List. It was listed as endangered species, and the distribution is northern Pakistan and northwestern India. It is particularly endemic to northern and western Himalayas. So this is all we have to know about this woolly flying squirrel. Now look at this MCQ. Woolly flying squirrel is primarily found in which geographical region? The correct answer is option B, Western Himalayas, and particularly northwestern Himalayas. The biomass mission is going to be launched by European Space Agency. So what is a biomass mission? This is a satellite mission of European Space Agency, and this mission is aimed to map the global forest cover and biomass of Earth. So this is the aim of the mission. It will map the forest and track the changes in forest cover. It will also assess the forest role in carbon cycle, and it will also observe the Antarctic ice sheet movement. So these are the objectives of this mission, which is going to be an important mission for European Space Agency. So this mission, this satellite was going to be launched in Sun synchronous orbit. Now what is Sun synchronous orbit? The Sun synchronous orbit means it is synchronous to the Earth's rotation of the Sun. So the orbit of the satellite is also synchronous to the Earth's rotation of the Sun. So that is the term synchronous orbit. And the important feature of this orbit is it revolves around the Earth through the polar region, so that it can map the Antarctic ice sheet movement also. Another important feature of this orbit is the satellite can be seen at same point every day at the same place on the Earth. So this is a Sun synchronous orbit. So this is about the biomass mission of European Space Agency. Now look at this MCQ. What is the main focus of EarthCare satellite, which was launched in 2024? So the correct answer is option C, understanding the Earth's radioactive energy balance. With this, we have come to the end of the discussion. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Shankar IAS Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.